Hello everyone. Today we discuss the 5 elements of naturopathy. Actually, naturopathy is not only a system of healing but also a system of life. Basically, it consists of 5 elements: earth, fire, space, and water. A lot of ancient philosophies around the globe classify the composition of the universe into 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. These are also called the Panch Mahabhut. Knowledge of these 5 elements helps us understand the law of nature. Each of the 5 elements represent a state of matter in nature. Solid matter is classified as the earth element. Water is everything that is liquid. Air is everything that is a gas. Fire is that part of nature that transforms one state of matter into another. Either is the earth is the mother of other elements and is the basis of higher spiritual experiences. All of the creation is made up of 5 elements in different proportions. The human body is also the product of these 5 elements in different proportions: 72% of water, 12% earth, 6% air, 4% fire, and the rest is ether. Usually, the percentages of the first 4 elements remain constant, but the percentage of the ether can be enhanced. Each element is responsible for different structures in the body. Earth forms solid structures such as teeth, nails, bones, muscles, skin, tissues, and hair. This gives structure and strength to the body. Water forms saliva, urine, semen, blood, and sweat. Fire forms hunger, thirst, sleep, the vision in the eyes, and complexion of the skin. Air is responsible for all movements, including expansion, contraction, vibration, and suppression. Space is the most subtle of elements and is present in the hollow cavities of the body in the form of radio frequencies, light radiation, cosmic rays, etc. The pran, vital force, in the human body is also directly connected to these 5 elements. The law of nature depends these elements to be in balance. Imbalance of the 5 elements of nature is the cause of most disease. The source of chronic self-manifested disease is the impurity of any of the elements, or if the elements are out of balance with another element in the body, imbalance of water element. This is visible as excess mucus, cold, sinusitis, swelling of glands, edema of tissues, blood thinning, or blood clotting. Imbalance of earth element causes shows itself as a general weakness in the body, loss of calcium from bones, obesity, cholesterol, weight loss and weight gain, muscle disease, etc. Imbalance of fire elements causes itself as fever, skin disease like inflammation, increased coldness or heat in the body, excessive sweating, hyperacidity, slow digestion and absorption of nutrients, toxins in the body, diabetes, etc. Imbalance of air element leads to skin dryness, blood pressure problems, lung disorders, dry cough, bloating, constipation, lethargy, insomnia, muscle spasms, depression, etc. Imbalance of space element is visible as thyroid disorder, throat problems, speech disorder, epilepsy, madness, ear disease, etc. What can I expect from a naturopathy consultant? A naturopathy is a health practitioner who applies his natural therapies. Her or his spectrum compares far from the fasting, nutrition, water, and exercise. It includes approved natural healing practice such as homeopathy, acupuncture and herbal medicine, as well as the use of modern methods like bioresonance, ozone therapy and colon hydrotherapy at a time when modern technology, environmental pollution, poor diet and stress play a significant role in the degradation of health. A naturopath's ability to apply natural methods of healing is of considerable importance. Frequently, a naturopathy is the best resort in a patient's long search for health. Providing personalized care to each patient, the naturopath sees humankind as a holistic unity of body, mind, and spirit. The practitioner will typically begin with a diagnosis. In this part of process, they will address personal information including trusted source lifestyle habits, stress level and diet. A naturopathic doctor can use physical assessment, laboratory tests, medical imaging and medical history examinations to diagnose a health problem. After diagnosis, they will establish way to prevent and treat the health problem by working trusted sources with the natural healing system within the body. Naturopathic doctors designs medical care plans to suit individual needs and health conditions. This means the treatment plans they offer can vary, but they all follow similar principles. Most treatments include food and nutrition. A naturopathic doctor will customize recommendations for the individuals. A diet plan will typically use whole foods, for example, fruit, vegetables, lean meat, and whole grains. The doctors may also offer advice on maximizing nutritional value by eating seasonal local food. Some believe food is better for the body when consumed raw rather than cooked. Treatments a naturopathic doctor may offer include diet and nutrition recommendation, behavioral changes such as exercise and lifestyle, homeopathy, a type of natural medicine, hydropathy, which is water-based treatment, manipulative therapy, for instance, putting pressure on certain part of body to establish balance, herbal dietary supplements, detoxification, physiotherapy. Naturopathy works on a more personal level, spending more time covering individual needs. They create treatment plans that consider all aspects for a patient. Thank you.